this is a giveaway to give back to the community. You can enter now to win a prize by liking, subscribing to my channel, and sharing this video. A winner will be selected each week and we earn a prize of $50 per week. So subscribe now and make sure you follow me on Instagram. Also, make sure to share this video with friends and close ones. Comment down below and let me know what did you learn from this video. Results will be announced every Monday, so make sure to watch the vlog. Good luck. Don't mind my outfit. I just woke up, no makeup whatsoever, because the truck guys were supposed to drop the sand. This is for the construction up there. This part of the building, I don't think you guys have seen it before, but this part of the building, we built it 2019 for additional classrooms, because the size of, the school is getting bigger and bigger with the amount of kids. When we started out, I think it was like 100 and something. Last year we were 350, and we're expecting that we're gonna have more kids this coming year. So that's why we built this building. But for finances, limitations and everything, we never finished this area. So there's another batch of sand that is supposed to be dropped later today. So I have to go home, take a shower, look like something, but let me show you guys what the inside looked like. So this is gonna be the hall, the event hall. This is the space that we're trying to make into an event hall. Don't mind the noise, there's a church back there. Anyway, so this space is for that. So we're gonna fix it. The goal this year was to put the tiles, so we have to work on the floor, definitely, because we have to tile this entire space. And we also have to put windows, we have to put a door somewhere here, and we're gonna fix the walls. So this is gonna be the space where if kids, parents, we're having like parents, PTA meetings, kids events like traditional day, because we have a traditional day here at school. This is where the events are gonna happen. And also we have sometimes people asking to rent the hall. So now we're gonna have the space for people to rent it. Let me take you upstairs where you can see the additional classroom. I keep on looking at my outfit because it's hideous, but let me take you to what this upstairs looks like. So this is the first classroom. This is a decent size. It can hold about 15 to 20 kids. It's just a bit smaller than the other side, right? When I say the other side, I'm talking about the colorful building. The classrooms are bigger than what you see here. This one is going to be another one. There are 4 classrooms on this building, and so forth, basically. So the goal this summer is to at least, because every year we set out a budget for renovation and we evaluate what type of work, construction work, is really crucial. So this year, even though we built this thing in 2019, this year we wanted to be able to finish the classrooms because we're getting more kids. So, and last year, kids were really not packed in classrooms, but we needed additional because we have 2 sections, Anglophone and Francophone. And then the kindergarten is bilingual. So the kids are the nursery level, nursery 1, 2, 3, have to, pre-nursery, nursery 1, nursery 2. So in French is petite section, moyenne section, et grande section. All of them are learning English and French. That's the system that we have. So, and here is just, this is the last one. For those who are French speaking or you can understand French, il faut en fait un 3e niveau. Donc, sur le cours, on est en train de regarder dans quelle mesure, dans les années à venir, on va pouvoir enlevant en fait la toiture, les taux qui sont là, et faire un troisième niveau. Le problème c'est qu'il faut couler la dalle. Et couler la dalle sur une superficie pareille, ça coûte pas moins cher. Donc, ce sont les travaux qu'on verra si on va entreprendre ça l'année prochaine ou pas. Je crois qu'on est dans entre 5 et 6 millions, c'est ça? Entre 5 et 6 millions. I'm talking to my brother. Je parle à mon frère, il est derrière la caméra. C'est lui qui est l'ingénieur de génie civil. So for some of you who didn't understand, I was saying that we still need to add another concrete, another layer, another level. So this is going to be the third level because we have the downstairs, we have the first floor, and then we have the second floor that we were planning to do. But just to build a concrete slab, it's going to take us 5 to 6 million, which is roughly $12,000, just for that, you know. I don't know if you guys can, this one right here is a concrete slab. This is what separates the first floor to the second floor. So we need another one here. It's money, construction is money, but we're doing it one day at a time. Whenever the finances allow it, we just improve the school. But the school is not quite yet completed. We're hoping that we're going to finish it at some point. Hey guys, so I finally got home. So what I'm going to do now is that I need to shower, get ready. I just called the head teacher because during the break, because school is over, during the break, the head teacher is supposed to be there. I mean, for this month of July, he's going to be there all month, but he's supposed to be there morning to 1 p.m. The problem today is that he has a meeting at the Department of Education, right? They have a meeting there this morning, so that's why I had to show up and open the school. We also have an admin, but she's on maternity leave, so she hasn't been able to actually be at the school, do the things that she's supposed to do for the past 2 months, I want to say. So we're kind of short on staff at this point, but these guys are going to start construction this week. So I'm going to have a site manager who's going to be handling that. I just need to organize everything. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, haven't taken a shower. I need to go take a shower. I need to eat. I need to look like something, and then I'll talk to you guys later. So let me just put you here so that we can talk. So basically, as you guys already know, there's construction going on at the school. That's gonna start tomorrow Wednesday. So I usually have the guys, the workers, really make the bricks, right? Those things right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I usually have the guys make them. But because this is the raining season, and because we're really running out of time, because at this point I want the construction to be done by mid-August, and this is July 7th. I think we're July 7th or July 6th. I can't keep up. So basically, I'm just gonna buy it already made because we don't have much time. Usually when they make it, they do have to let it dry, and it takes a couple of days. So I don't want to waste this week because the work was supposed to actually start on Monday, but today is Wednesday, and the guys are going to start on Thursday. So I'm trying to get everything ready. Some people already asked me on my IG, because I usually post the regular everyday activities on my IG stories. So if you guys have Instagram, go check out my IG stories because they're usually more, you know, interactive. But basically, somebody put a comment, I mean GM'd me and was like, why are you the one handling the construction work? Guys, I love construction work. I do love construction work, My dad is into the construction business. He retired, but he used to be a civil engineer for maybe 40 years or something like that. I mean, he's still a civil engineer, even though he retired. He's still handling some other construction projects and things like that. My little brother is also a civil engineer. So as you can tell, I grew up in a family where there was always construction somewhere. So I love the whole, you know, starting from scratch, knowing exactly what type of sand to use, the cement to use. That's why when I relocated to Cameroon, I had to renovate my space, because I was like, nah, we're gonna do it the way I want to do it. And I actually know some of the items that I have to purchase. So usually when I work with these guys who are the builders, I mean, they're not amazed, but they're usually like, you know, so shocked that I know the technical words, the things to use and things like that. But I learned it from my dad. I'm not an expert, but I love to learn anything construction. And plus, my brother is usually the one handling the construction projects, but he's busy with other work, other projects. So I'm going to be doing that, but I'm going to have a site manager as well. So anyway,